taste and see that the Lord, He is good. You've been so good.
Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Thank You, Lord. That's I Just Want to Thank You, Lord, right? Guys, awesome song. We're in the key of B flat on today, and we're going to get through it. You know what? This song was requested by Lily Thomas. Thank you so much, Lily, for this awesome request.
And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life.
All right, guys, we're in the key of B flat. Let's get it. That's B flat, C, B, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, let's do like we always do. Let's just go ahead and stretch our hands, right? Crack them and everything, wiggle them. And I think we're ready. Guys, let's get ready to play Thank You, Lord.
And I just wanna thank you, Lord. I think we need to say that one again. Despite all, you've been so good. Yes, you have. We get so caught up in complaining and having our opinion about this thing and that thing that we forget that God really is good. Oh, taste and see that the Lord, He is good. You've been so good. Yes, you have. You've been so good. Yes, you have. Lift your voice all over the building. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Because despite all, it could have been another way. I'll lift my hands and say thank you.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers.
Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So our intro is I just want to thank you, Lord. All right. Let me give you that. Beautiful intro. We're on our 2. We're just walking all the way up to our 5. We're going E flat 6 on the 2. Going to our 3. We're playing a B flat major chord. Going to our C minor chord on the 4. Going to our G minor chord on the 5 flat. All right, what is that? We're just playing E flat major 7 on our 5. Resolve with an F dominant 7 on the 5. Then we're going to Lord. And that's just an E flat 2 chord. Resolve. And then end on the 1 with the B flat major chord. And then we have this beautiful turnaround. All right, what is that? We're playing 2 notes. G, A. And then we're going to our 6. We're playing this E flat 2 chord. E flat sus2, I should say. Then we're going to an F sus2 chord on the 7. Then we're going thank you, Lord. All right, let me give you those 3 chords. So we're on our first chord, regular B flat major chord. Going to our 3, we're playing this C diminished 7 chord. Going to our 6, and then we're playing this B flat 6 chord. They're doing this beautiful thing here. They're going. All we're doing is we're playing a 3, and on the 3 we're playing our F6 chord, going to our A flat diminished 7 chord on the 6. Then we're going thank you, Lord. All right, let me give you that. So we're on our 2. We're playing our E flat 6 chord. We're playing this beautiful motif. We're going G, A, B flat, C. Then we stay on our 2. We're playing this beautiful chord. This is a C dominant 7 chord. Then we're going. All we're doing is we're playing an E flat 6 on the 5. Resolve with an F dominant 7 on the 5. We do our intro again, our intro turnaround. Right? Thank you. Same as the beginning. Lord. We can do that same 3, 6. Right? Then we go, I just want to thank you, which is our intro, right? Yeah. So guys, if that's all I gave you, that's the song. I can stop right now. That's the song. But of course, this is numerical melodies. We have to give you more. Here's the bonus. Okay. So we're going thank. Yeah. Now it sounds gospel, right? So certain things you can do. You can go. All I'm doing is I'm playing 5 flat, 5. And then I'm playing right there on my 3. Instead of just playing 3 by itself, I'm playing the 3 and the 6 flat. In my right hand, I'm playing the C diminished 7 chord. Then I'm going to my 6. Now here's something you can do. You can go. All right, let me give you that. So we're going B flat major chord, C minor chord. Grab it. Okay, so what I'm playing is I'm playing my 6 flat, my 1, and my 2. And in my right hand, I'm just playing an F minor chord, right? Then we're resolving with this chord. We're playing an F diminished 7 chord in our right hand, A flat diminished 7 in our right hand. And then the rest is the same, right? Okay, so that's something you can do. So right there, we can play this chord right here, right? Instead of on the 2, we can just extend that chord out. I'm playing a 5 flat. I'm playing my 6, my 1, and my 2 in my left hand. And in the right hand, I'm playing that same C dominant 7 chord. Now, there's one more thing I can give you. Something that wasn't in the song that I could give you is that we can go thank you, Lord. Right? That's something else you can do, okay? So if we're on the 1, we're playing our 1. It's a B flat major chord. Now we're going. Let me give you that motif. We're playing the 4 and the G. We're playing the 3 and the F. We're playing our 2 and our E flat, our 1 and a D. Then we're just going to simply do a 7, 3, 6 progression. So that 7, 3, 6 progression is C minor on the 7. Then we're going to our C diminished 7 on the 3. And then we're going to our B flat 6 chord. Guys, I hope this lesson was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the chord that opened heaven. I remember being just 14 years old, sitting at a piano that honestly wasn't in the best shape. The instrument was slightly out of tune, the kind of piano most people might complain about. But that day, none of that mattered. I was practicing the worship song, We Exalt Thee. I kept playing it over and over, trying to feel my way through the music. Then I landed on a chord I had never really thought much about before. A diminished chord in my left hand and a major chord in my right hand. The moment my fingers pressed those keys, something happened that I still can't fully explain. It felt as if the presence of the Lord Himself stepped into the room and touched my heart. The sound wasn't technically perfect, but the feeling was overwhelming. In that moment, the out-of-tune piano sounded beautiful to me. I realized something powerful. Music can carry emotion and spirit even when no words are being sung. Later, I went to church and found myself in a moment of worship at the piano. Without thinking, I played that same chord again. As it rained out throughout the sanctuary, something shifted in the room. People began weeping, others lifted their hands. Worship began to flow through the congregation. That's when I understood that music isn't just sound, it's a vessel. In the right moment, even a single chord can open hearts and invite the presence of God. Life lesson: never underestimate the power of a small gift placed in God's hands. Sometimes one simple chord can touch more hearts than 1,000 words. Awesome job. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, guys, thank you so much for coming in and working with me today on this awesome song. And Lily Thomas, thank you also for that awesome song. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to 1 million. You ever heard you say 1 million? Guys, let's give it up for the 1 million.
And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us.
We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new, yep, it's coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. You know what, guys? It takes 3 seconds to hit it. Let's hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam, I see you just hit it. And you just hit that bell. Guys, you have made my day. We are on the road to 1 million. And you know what? You're not just playing the music, but you are the music. This is AK. I'm signing out.